In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-increment numbers in Google Sheets, making your data management tasks more efficient. Whether you're setting up a list or tracking projects, auto-incrementing numbers will save you time and effort. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open a Google Sheet. If you already have a spreadsheet open, great. If not, simply go to Google Sheets in your browser and start a new document. Once your Google Sheet is ready, we'll begin by selecting the cell where we want our numbering to start. Let's choose cell A2 for this example. After clicking on cell A2, type the number 1. This will serve as the starting point for our sequence of numbers. Next, click on cell A3, just below A2. Here, you'll create a simple formula to generate the sequence. Type an equal sign followed by A2, and then add a plus sign and the number 1. This formula will tell Google Sheets to take the number in A2, add 1 to it, and display the result in A3. After you've created this formula, press Enter. You'll see the number 2 appear in cell A3, confirming that your formula works correctly. Now, the magic happens. Click on the small blue square at the bottom right corner of cell A3. This square is called the fill handle. Click and drag the small blue square downwards to extend the formula to additional cells. Drag it down to cell A9 to fill the column with incrementing numbers automatically. Each subsequent cell should display the next number in the sequence, thanks to the formula that you set up. You might also want to practice auto-incrementing numbers across a row. For this, move over to column E. Click on cell E2 and type in the number 1, then go to cell E3 and type the number 2, and finally, go to cell E4 and type the number 3. Once these numbers are in place, select all 3 cells, E2, E3, and E4. While these cells are highlighted, use the fill handle once more. Click and drag it down through cell E9. The numbers will auto-increment, just like in column A, continuing the sequence horizontally across each row. With this knowledge, you can quickly generate numbered lists or track items in continuously updating datasets. Remember, auto-incrementing is not only a time saver, but also reduces the risk of manual entry errors. Give it a try and see how much smoother it makes managing your data in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.